Guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make an adorable Mother's Day slate. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to head on over to Canva, and in Canva we are going to select custom size and change pixel to inches, and the width that I'm going to use is 6.7 by 5 and create new design. So I'm going to select design, and in here I just typed in Mother's Day, and if you scroll down here, so this is what we're going to do today. So I thought that was so cute and it'd be perfect. It would look so nice on a slate. What you'll want to do is head on over to upload and pick the images that you're going to use. This is one image I want to use, so I'm just going to select it. And if you take this and you drag it right over to the letter you want and drop it, there you go. So that is one image I wanted to use. This was the other image I wanted to use. So I'm just going to slide this right over here. And there you go. And then you can double click and you can kind of slide it over a little bit so it fits the way you want it to fit. So it's just like this. And the last image I was going to use is this one, but we need to rotate it. And we're just going to slide that in. So that is what I'm going to use. And the Happy Mother's Day, I wanted to change the font. So I'm just going to double click, go up here, and I found a cute font on Creative Fabrica. It's called Lucky, and that is the one that I uploaded. So I'm going to do that. And then it also defaulted to a gray, and I want it to be a black. So I'm just going to change it to black. And then I'm deleting this, and I'm going to just drag this down, and I'm going to put I love my boys. And I'm going to change the font. I'm going to do Love Comic. And again, it defaults to gray, so I'm going to change it to black so it's darker and make it a little bit bigger. Doesn't that still kind of look gray? Let's double click and try. Let's just highlight it and double check because it almost looks like it's gray. Yeah, so let's make sure it's changed. Yes. All right. So now let me show you something. Since we are sublimating, we have to mirror the image. So if you select this and you hit flip, it will mirror. That one's not an issue. I'm going to put it back. But when you do like words, it doesn't let you do the option of mirror. So a way around that is to download it. We're going to hit download and we're going to save it as a PNG, hit download, and we're going to download that to our desktop. So now that that's downloaded to our desktop, the next thing I'm going to do, if you have Canva Pro, you can just select resize and change the size right here. You would just select, you would hit resize, and you would just scroll right down here and hit custom size, and we could change the size. But if you have regular, I'm going to just kind of start all over to show you what the next step is. So if you have Pro, you just click here, and then we're going to change the dimensions, and I would change them to 5 by 6.7. I'm actually changing it so that it is now going to be portrait. So let's just go back right up here. We're going to go ahead and hit custom size. So we first need to change it to inches. And then this is what we did first, 6.7 by 5. We're going to do the opposite because we want to rotate the image. So this is 6.7 inches, create new design. So now this is going to print as a portrait. Now we are going to upload image, and this is the image that I just downloaded and uploaded to Canva, and we're going to rotate it, and then we're going to stretch it out. Okay, so now when you select this, flip is open, and we're going to hit horizontal, flip horizontal, and now this image is mirrored. It's just that easy. Now we're going to hit share and download, and I'm going to change the file type to PDF, best for printing, and then hit download and just save that to our desktop. So we just double clicked on the PDF and I'm going to hit print. And I need to change the printer to the Epson ET2720, which I converted to a sublimation printer. So we're just going to select it right here. You'll need to also make sure that you have actual size. And then we are going to hit properties. And here it defaulted to the legal sheet, actually print on letter. So I'm changing this to letter. And then your paper type is premium presentation paper matte. And the quality should be high. And then I'll just unselect collate. Then we're going to go into more options. And then let's see, right here, we will make sure that rotate, high speed, and mirror are not checked because we already mirrored it in Canva. Then next, we'll select advanced. And for the color controls, I have that selected. Color mode, I changed to Adobe RGB, Gamma 2.2. And then you'll just adjust your color controls to your liking. And we're going to hit OK. Okay, and all we're going to do is hit print. Life is a whirlwind, isn't it? With work, kids, and endless to-dos, finding time to just sit down with a good book can feel impossible. But what if I told you that there's a way to indulge in the joy of reading without hitting pause on your busy life? That is where Amazon Audible has made a big difference in my life. They offer a complimentary 30-day trial where you can explore a universe of stories without spending a dime. Whether you're stuck in traffic, hitting the gym, or just unwinding at home, Audible lets you escape into another world at any moment. And for parents like us, Audible is a godsend, a chance to share the magic of storytelling with our little ones while still tackling our never-ending to-do list. If you're ready to dive in, click the link in the descriptions below and embark on a free Audible journey today. Because with Audible, every moment is an opportunity for an escape. So here is the rock slate that we are going to sublimate on. And the first thing you want to do is clean it. So we're going to just use a paper towel and rubbing alcohol. And we're just going to put a little bit on the paper towel. And then you want to just clean it very thoroughly. And you may not see anything on there, but there is always dust or debris. And so you want to clean it really well before you sublimate on it, because then it becomes permanent and you can't get the debris off. Then you want to dry it, make sure it's completely dry. And now we are ready to add the sublimation. So what I'm going to do is going to cut some of the excess off. So I want to just make sure that this is centered on here. And you can kind of see it through here. So I'm just going to kind of stand up and make sure it's centered. I think like right here is perfect. Let's see, I should not have cut so much off on this side because I'd want to use the tape on there as well. We're going to use heat resistant tape. And I'm just going to tape this carefully to the back. Okay, and you want to make sure to pull tightly. So I'm going to turn it back this way, and then we're going to go ahead and tape it. So as I'm folding it, I'm also making sure that I'm pulling tightly because you want that image to be pressed firmly against the slate. And let me fix this one as well. Okay, and I should not have cut this side because I want to tape that down. And to be honest with you, I don't know if the tape will show up if it's on the white. So I'm just going to very carefully just do one side because you do want to leave it here off the edge so you can tape it, and let's tape it this way. So hopefully it doesn't show up on that side. And let's see. And you know what I think I'm going to do, because it makes me nervous to put tape directly on this, I am going to just add a little bit back since I cut a little bit too much off. It's safer, better to be safe than sorry. So let's just tape this part on, and then we're going to fold this over just like that. Okay, and let's just add a little bit more here. And this looks like this is perfect. And well, we can even cut this off so it doesn't look all funky. And the next step we're going to do is wrap it in parchment paper. And I like to do that just because I'm going to sublimate this on the HTV Ront Auto Press, and just to protect the metal on each end, I just like to wrap it. You don't have to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and just fold this over and tape it. And we're going to go ahead and preheat the HTV Ront at 360 degrees, and then we're going to sublimate it for 600 seconds. Okay, so I preheated the HTV Ront to 360 degrees, and the highest it can go for seconds is 199 seconds. Since we need to sublimate this for 600 seconds, we're going to go ahead and do this 3 times. So here is, remember I wrapped it in parchment paper, and I'm going to place Teflon over it. Then we are going to go ahead and place this in here and press go. So we are at 25 seconds. We're almost done with the first round. And once we reach 0, we're going to go ahead and press the button again to do the second round of 199 seconds. And we're getting ready to do our third one as soon as this is down to 0. Okay, last one. So you definitely need heat resistant gloves because this is very hot. And we're going to go ahead and open it. So isn't it so adorable? What do you guys think? Drop a comment below, let me know, and as always, thank you for watching my video. And if you're not already a subscriber, make sure to hit the like and the subscribe button so you don't miss any notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.